Hey guys, welcome back to But's Paradise. Today I'm preparing a dosa that's high in protein, fiber, calcium, and iron, making it an exceptionally nutritious and balanced meal. This healthy breakfast option can be enjoyed any time of the day, whether you're looking for a filling meal or a wholesome snack. It's perfect for kids and an excellent choice for those on a diet or weight loss journey. Truly, this dosa is a complete meal in itself. Here, put all the ingredients which I've shown and soak for 8 hours. Now, this is soaked well. Let's grind this. Here I'm adding in a mixie 1/4 cup of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon jeera, 1 tablespoon saunf, 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, salt to taste, 2 red chilies, and add soaked pulses. Grind coarsely, don't grind it into a smooth paste. See, this is perfect. This should be little coarse like this. Now one batch is ready. Now we have to add some more spices, some ginger, some curry leaves, some pudina. Now grind this also. Add a little bit of water. By adding these spices, this dosa not only becomes a flavorful treat but also aids in digestion, preventing any gas, acidity, or digestive discomfort. This is especially important given its high protein content, which can be heavy on the stomach. The spices ensure that this nutritious meal remains easy on your digestive system. Now, in a pan, roast 1/4 cup of urad dal and 2 to 3 red chilies. Also add 3 to 4 cloves of garlic and 1 piece of ginger. Fry them well and put it in the mixie. Now we are making tomato chutney. Add 2 tomatoes. Cook them for 5 to 7 minutes. Keep it aside for cooling. Now here in the mixie, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fresh coconut, keep this for cooling. Now here I've added little bit of water, grind it to a smooth paste. Now I'm adding cooked tomatoes. Grind it again. Now you can taste this chutney. I'm adding some jaggery. If you don't like it, you can avoid it. And also some tamarind. Now our tomato chutney is ready. Now let's prepare a tempering. Add coconut oil, mustard seeds, and add some curry leaves, hing. Now add it to the chutney. Here one batch I've taken it without adding jaggery. Now our chutney is ready. Let's prepare dosa now. The dosa tawa should not have any oil, otherwise we can't spread it. And don't overheat the tawa. Take a ladle full of dosa batter and gently spread it across the pan. This batter may be slightly more challenging to spread compared to fine batters, so take your time to do it slowly and evenly. Close it for a minute. Now add ghee. This dosa takes longer to cook, so if you prefer it crispy, cook it on low heat. It's a great option for kids' lunch boxes as it's both healthy and nutritious. Once you're done, store the batter in the fridge immediately. It will keep well for the next day without the need for fermentation. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now our crispy dosa is ready to be served. Enjoy it hot. This will be very tasty. Thank you for watching and see you next time with another healthy recipe. Take care for now. Bye bye.